Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about the effective useful life of a commercial spray foam roof. So you're probably wondering, if I get a spray foam roof, how long is it going to last? The answer we tell people is that it's the last roof you're ever going to have to install, and the reason is because it's renewable. Spray foam roofs, they can last their warranty period for sure 10 to 20 years, but once that period's over, you can renew the roof and get a new 10 to 20 year roof. So we've seen roofs that have lasted 30, 40, 50 years. But you're probably wondering, what can shorten the life of a spray foam roof? And really, it's routine maintenance. It's the same thing that would happen with your car. If you don't change the oil, if you don't change the tires, it's not going to last as long as it was meant to last. With spray foam roofing, you need to have someone come in your roof, once or twice a year to clean the gutters, clean the drains. If there's any little foam that's exposed, get those cutted out, put new foam in there, put new coating on. Just make sure no foam's exposed to UV rays. But if you do the routine maintenance, it'll last as long as your building's going to last. People have asked about bird pecking. Is that going to affect the useful life of a spray foam roof? And bird pecking used to be an issue years ago, but the last 10, 15, 20 years with the invention of adding granules into the coating of a spray foam roof, birds find it unpleasing to peck at a rigid, hard surface, and we haven't had any issues of bird pecking lately. You might be wondering, what happens if something happens in between the fall and the spring when someone comes to look at my roof, like a hailstorm, for example? Well, you just need to make sure you've chosen a spray foam company that has a service department. You can call them, they'll come out to your roof, inspect it, see if there's any foam that's exposed to the sun or just exposed at all, and they could add coating onto it or sealant, and then just make sure it's not exposed anymore. But if you ignore those for years and years and years, that's when that roof's not going to last. But if you have a company that has a dedicated service department that you can call quickly, you can make sure those hailstorms don't affect your roof for a long period. Some people have asked, what's the typical warranty length for a spray foam roof? Usually they're 10, 15, or 20 years, and that all depends on how much protective coating goes over top of the foam roof. For a 10-year warranty, about 20 mils of coating will be installed. For a 20-year warranty, 30 mils will be installed. And then after 20 years, that 30 mils of coating will go down to 7 or 8 mils. And a spray foam contractor simply power washes the roof clean, brings that coating level back to 30 mils, and you get a new 20-year warranty. So that's kind of how that works. You might be wondering about other traditional roofing systems and how long they last. Built-up roof can last 40 years. Single-ply roof can last up to 30 years if they're maintained properly. That's a big thing. That's really it for today. If you have any questions, please click the description below. You can click and go to the blog post to have more details. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.